So this video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to add your Flare network. Actually, there are two ways that you can add the Flare network. You can add manually by importing the mainnet into your Metamask, and then you can also add by importing the chain by using the chain link, a link that I'll be dropping right at the video description. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So if you're new in this channel, kindly ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video on how to buy tokens directly on Metamask, you are going to be updated on time. Alright, so the first thing you have to be doing, the first way to import your token is to click on where you have this button right here. You click on where you have this button, you tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, you now scroll down a little bit to where you have networks. Okay, where you have these networks right here, you tap on it. All right, so as soon as you tap on it, you can now scroll down to where you see this network. One of the first ways is by importing the mainnet. Okay, so if you tap on here, you can decide to import the mainnet directly. Then you head over to where you have this custom network, you tap on it. Then as soon as you tap on it, just head down to the video description and copy the link or the link that I'll be posting there. Come over right here and paste them here accordingly. Okay, so as soon as you paste them accordingly, you come down to save. You come down to save here and click on save. Okay, the network is gonna be added automatically into your Metamask. This is the first method. I hope that is clear enough. Now I'll be showing you the next method, which is the simplest method on how to add the Flare network here into Metamask. So pay attention, guys. If you want to add, the second way to add your Flare network into your Metamask is to come down to where you have this. Come down to where you have this browser right here. Okay, you tap on this browser. This browser right here. Okay, you tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, it will take you to the next section. Just come down right here and tap the name and tap that Flare network. Okay, so I'll tap Flare network. You can see that the mainnet has just popped out automatically. Here is the mainnet. Okay, as soon as it shows out, come over here and tap highlight this. First of all, highlight that, then you scroll down and click on where you have this add to Metamask. You tap on it. Okay, I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So as soon as you tap on it, it's going to take a load up this. Just scroll down, come down here and click on confirm. So as soon as you click on confirm, it's going to show confirm again. All right, so this is the website that will be imported automatically, and this is the confirm. You are going to confirm this right away. So you tap on confirm and it is going to be, just give it a few seconds, the mainnet is going to be added automatically into your Metamask. Okay, so when you scroll down to, when you just go back to the home page right here, when you scroll down to your home page, just you can now see that the Flare mainnet has just been added right here. You can see it, the Flare network has just been added. Okay, so now that is how you add your Flare network directly and into your Metamask. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video as I'll show you how to add some funds into the Flare network directly here on Metamask. If you enjoyed this video, kindly ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you're gonna be updated. And do your best to join the Telegram group to stay updated as well. See you in the next video.